Okay, so that's the new muffler. I didn't color it this time like the top I did, but because I took it off. I put pictures up. I haven't put them on YouTube yet, but I put them on Patreon and somewhere else. Anyway, I could start this now, but that needs realigned, and my knee's hurting, man, so I'm not going to do it today. But all I got to do is loosen the bolts and move it around a little bit, and then it'll work. Yeah, now a lot more people are stopping to see it because they realized that I made that muffler, and they're like, oh shit, that's cool. But because it is cool, I can't wait to fire it up. But I still got to wind that, so even if when I test fire it, I'm not going to have any output readings yet because I gotta do that. And I got another one of those that I'm rewinding soon. I got it in the car. I got to cut the aluminum off and then rewind it with the same gauge. I'm going to use the same gauge. And then install it too on that shaft. That way there's two of them. And then I'll probably cut that off a little bit, but I'm going to leave it a little bit sticking out. Well, I don't know. If that was metal, I mean, it's probably fine. That plastic's pretty fucking strong. Because I was thinking I could pulley off that if I needed to use something else, turn something else. Technically, it would work with this, but it's not. I wouldn't feel super comfortable with it because it's not steel plates, but you could do it. Because Lexan's pretty tough stuff, man. So what they layer bulletproof glass with. And since I used the drill on that coupling, it is a tiny bit crooked, but it doesn't matter because it's got that. That's what that coupling's for. It's designed to give it flex, especially on like wood splitters and stuff. So, anyway, yeah, it looks nice. I love it. And yeah, that's the generator side. This is the side that looks prettiest, I think, to most people. But all right, peace.